What a beautiful day with my mama here.
Ah,
See? Look at the
Yes.
beautiful flower there.
yes.
See that one, mama?
Mm-hmm.
Beautiful, huh?
It's really pretty, yes.
We can sing. Beautiful, beautiful. Jesus is beautiful. And Jesus makes beautiful things of my life, carefully touching me, causing my eyes to see. Jesus makes beautiful things of my life. Okay, that's a nice one, Mama, with a beautiful sunshine.
Yeah, isn't it good?
I know, the sun shines so bright today. And it's not cold anymore.
No.
It's springtime here in America, mga kaibigan.